Jai Hind and welcome back my energetic martial artist, and today we're gonna learn about roundhouse kick or hook kick, and in karate it is called komawasi. And this kick one of the most destructive kick in karate as well as taekwondo because it provides maximum destruction to your opponent. And even you also see in my previous video which I made in a movie, you can see that I got a hurt in my face because of that roundhouse kick. So without wasting time, let's begin. So before doing the roundhouse kick, we have to at least know about mawasi like this or komawasi like this. So it's become easy for you to do the roundhouse kick or hook kick. We have to do a stance, and this is called as fighting stance. Now I just simply take my back leg like this to this area, okay? So you have to put your heels toward your opponent, as well as you have to put your waist to your direction of your opponent, and then you have to just simply have a rotation, and you have to do a komawasi like this. Before doing the hook kick, you should at least know the basics of hook kick and at least mawasi, okay? So the right way is you have to just put your front leg to the back area, so that you have to this area should be in straight position. And before kicking, you should must put your head toward opponent first and then kick, because the target may miss or you can adjust that, okay? So when you have to just put your back leg toward front, you have to first put your head toward opponent, and then you have to take your leg up and just you have to do a kick, komawasi kick, okay? So once more we have to do, see, put your front leg back leg front, see, just switch your position like this to your opponent, and then with your back just see, kick, okay? So when you do it correctly, it should look like this, okay? You see, or there is also an alternative for this kick. If you have struggling to do the hook kick, then you can this will be in circular motion, but your kick should be straight enough like this. You have to put your leg back, see your opponent, and then straightly just put your leg like this. It's called outside kick. If you have struggling with doing the hook kick, then first you have to attempt is this outside kick, okay? So to see, it's look like this. While practicing this, you automatically will switch to your hook kick, and it's like this. That's it for today, guys, and I hope that you all will like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Even you can watch my other tutorial video on kicks and punches and also push-ups, so just watch it.